Hey everyone, and welcome to Kitchen Faucet Channel. Today, we're tackling a common plumbing issue, replacing parts in your Moen faucet. Moen faucets are known for their quality and durability, but even the best can wear down over time. Don't worry, fixing a leaky or malfunctioning Moen faucet is easier than you think. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about finding the right replacement parts and completing the repair yourself. Identifying your Moen faucet and replacement part. Locate the model number. This is usually engraved on the base of the faucet or underneath the handle. Visit Moen's website. Head over to hswomen's.com and navigate to the parts section. You can search for your faucet model number to find a detailed parts list and diagrams. Moen's Faucet Identifier Tool. If you can't find the model number, Moen offers a handy faucet identifier tool. Upload a clear picture of your faucet, and the tool will suggest potential models and replacement parts. Common Moen faucet parts and replacements. Cartridge. This is the heart of your faucet, controlling water flow and temperature. It's the most common culprit behind leaks and dripping. Moen uses different cartridges for different faucet types, so be sure to identify yours correctly. Aerator. This small screen at the faucet spout can get clogged, causing low water pressure. It's a simple and inexpensive replacement. Handle. If your handle is loose, cracked, or feels stiff, you might need a handle replacement kit. Replacing the Moen faucet part general steps. Turn off the water supply. Locate the shut-off valves under your sink and turn them clockwise until they stop. Relieve pressure. Open the faucet handle to release any remaining water pressure. Remove the handle. Depending on the model, you might need to remove a screw under the handle or pry off a decorative cap. Refer to Moen's instructions for your specific faucet. Replace the cartridge. Use a cartridge removal tool, sometimes sold separately, or an adjustable wrench to unscrew the old cartridge and screw in the new one. Reassemble the faucet. Tighten everything securely, but avoid over-tightening. Turn on the water supply. Slowly turn on the shut-off valves under the sink and check for leaks. Tighten any loose connections if necessary. Thanks for joining me on this DIY adventure. If you have any questions about Moen faucet replacement parts or this repair process, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful home improvement videos.